For this project, I plan to create an eco-friendly, biodegradable storage box that is recyclable and redesigned. The main activity is recycling waste paper for reprocessing. Through research, the problem with plastic packaging is that there is so much that it can take up to 1,000 years to degrade naturally. Plastic ends up in oceans, rivers, and lakes, and we see it littering the streets. Plastic causes pollution, it kills wildlife, and plastic production certainly consumes a lot of energy. A relevant precedent designed by British Rose. The folding paper box is a DIY eco-friendly fashion accessory that you can make at home. It can be made at home hard enough and can be used to store valuables, but the paper used needs to be purchased and not waterproof. So the core idea of my design philosophy is to redesign waste paper into storage bins to reduce plastic pollution and harm the environment. Using waste paper as an alternative material to produce plastic boxes, we employ design interventions to encourage consumers to buy eco-friendly products made from recycled waste materials. In line with the concept of sustainable processing and production, paper can be considered a blessing to the planet because its use or applications are limitless. Paper has characters for soft texture, strong water absorption, high purposite, good air permeability, easy folding, strong plasticity, and not easy to conduct electricity, making paper an easy-to-change material. Waste paper recycling is common in most offices today, and significantly protect the environment, making paper and cardboard products for recycled materials not only protect trees but it also use up to 50% less energy and 90% less energy. That can then making them from raw materials. In addition, the residue of waste paper can better save environmental resources. I diluted the coloring bleach with water and soaked the waste paper in it for half an hour to remove any surface stains. Rinse with clean water after removal. Prepare lemon juice, skillet, scrap paper, and small wooden sticks. Heat the lemon juice in a pot with the lemons until it boils. While the lemon juice is heating, tear the scrap paper into pieces by hand and add it to the boiling lemon juice. Stir the paper constantly with a small wooden stick. Wait for the paper to dissolve. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the paper to start dissolving. And then dry with hair dry, coffee and tomatoes. Then air dry and heat dry, respectively. And then wax seal can play the role of sticking and waterproofing. The storage being wall, I plan to make have 3 layers. The middle layer is the skeleton, which plays a supporting role, and the outer and inner layer are large area covering layers. Make a storage box skeleton. The waste paper is secretly dried, compressed, dried, and wax sealed to increase its hardness and water resistance. After the skeleton is built and dried, it wrapped with a large area of treated waste paper bound with glue, and then air dried. There are the finished photos. Thank you.